Could a microbit stop a burglar? Today, we're turning the EduBit's infrared sensor into a real security system. If anyone gets too close to the museum painting, the alarm will sound. The EduBit includes an infrared sensor called the IR bit. It can detect when an object comes within a certain distance. Let's see if we can use it to protect something valuable. An infrared proximity sensor uses invisible infrared light to detect an object, usually within the range of 2 to 40 centimeters. The infrared sensor consists of two main components: an infrared emitter, that's a light emitting diode, and an infrared receiver, that's a photodiode. The infrared emitter emits light at a frequency of approximately 950 nanometers. This is just outside the range of the visible spectrum for humans, making it ideal for invisible detection. Infrared light is emitted by the infrared emitter, hits an object and bounces back, and is detected by the infrared receiver. When the sensor detects this, it does two things. It turns on the little LED obstacle light so you can see something's been detected, and it changes the output from this signal wire from 1 to 0. There are 3 pins for the sensor. The ground pin gets connected to ground on the microbit. The VCC pin gets connected to the 3-volt supply on the microbit. And finally, the signal pin gets connected to pin 8 via the EduBit board. There's a calibrating potentiometer on the sensor. You set this so that the light detecting obstacles just goes out, so it's just below detection. Let's program it in makecode. So here we are in makecode, and there are 4 main considerations. The initialization block sets a flag called alarm to be false. When the infrared sensor is triggered, it sets this alarm flag to be true. When button B is pressed, it sets the alarm to be back to false. We check whether the alarm has been triggered, and if so, we play 2 tones. Otherwise, we have a pulsating square. Let's see if it works. Maybe if the burglar moves more slowly. Seems pretty foolproof. What would you use an infrared sensor to do? That's all for today. I'm a small creator, so a like and a comment really helps.